Hello everyone, welcome to PMF IAS. I am Dr. Vishwit Kaur. So if you are preparing for the UPSC CSE 2026, then this video is for you. We at PMF IAS are launching our Prelims Magnum crash course. So crash course will be for this 2 month starting from 16th January and it will be completed on this 15th March. So remember, in this crash course, we are going to cover your static portion as well as current affair part in the 84 sessions. So each session will be for 2 hours. So approximately within 170 hours, you are covering both your static part as well as current affairs part. And we are conducting these lectures, these 84 sessions in the English medium, that is Hindi plus English, and all the session will be conducted live. And in case if you miss this live session, then you can also watch these recordings. So these recordings will be immediately uploaded after these live classes are over. So you must be worried that how we are going to cover this static as well as current affair part in this 84 session. So I will explain you. Our selection of the topic from the static part as well as from this current affair is based on 3 things. First is previous year questions, second is previous year themes, and third is its relevance or based on this current affair part, whether the topic was in the news in this current affair. So based on these 3 things, we are going to cover your static portion as well as your current affair part. I will just give one example from this ancient history. So if you consider this ancient history, Harappan civilization, which is considered as first urbanization in India, then period of Mahajanpadas, which is considered as second urbanization in India, both are important or favorite topics of this UPSC. So in this year, Kiladi excavation means some scholar also consider that during the same time when we have this second urbanization in the India, in the north part of India, there was urbanization in the South India also, and they use the example of Kiladi excavation for that. So what is by this Kiladi excavation, why the ASI did not accept the report till now, we will discuss all these things. And when we are discussing about this Kiladi excavation, we will also link this current affairs with the static portion, that is urbanization in the North India in the 6th century BC. Similarly, this South Indian kingdom, if I particularly talk about this early medieval period, UPSC in last few years has focused on this early medieval period, that to these South Indian kingdoms, basically the chronology or contemporary rulers or literature. But this year when our Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Tamil Nadu, he has mentioned about this Kudavolai system. So last year UPSC has already asked the question from this Chola period. In last year UPSC already asked the 3 questions from the South Indian kingdom. So basically in last few years UPSC is focusing on the South Indian kingdom, and this year this Kudavolai system was in the news. So what is this Kudavolai system? How the elections were conducted during the time of this Chola, why the local administration was strong during this time, and how later it disappeared, whether there was existence of this local administration or democracy during this time. We will discuss all these along with this Kudavolai system as well as connecting to this South Indian kingdom. So within these 84 sessions, we are not only covering your current affairs only, we are not only covering your static portion, we are covering your both static as well as current affairs. So this is about history. If I want to take the example of this polity, last year the 6th schedule was in the news. Why 6th schedule was in the news? Because there was a demand from these people of Ladakh. So why they are demanding this 6th schedule? What are the advantage for the state or union territory having this 6th schedule? What are the provision related to the 6th schedule in the constitution? We are going to deal with the 6th schedule in the polity lectures, not only from this current affairs perspective, but from this static part as well as relevant part for this UPSC prelim. So remember, in the 84 session, we are taking these topics based on previous year questions, based on previous year themes, and based on its relevance in the current as well as for the UPSC. So beyond this static part and current affairs, we are providing you the 3 important things. First is 100 most probable question. So after completion of each subject, suppose we have, first of all, we have completed this polity. Once we complete this polity lectures, we are providing you the 100 most probable question. So by attempting this question, you can analyze your own study, whether you understood this topic or not. Second is current affairs material. So we have this Prelims Magnum. So we will provide you the quick revision current affairs magazine for prelims 2026, and most important part is this 10 full length test. So once this complete portion is over, you can try to attempt this 10 full length test and you can work on your weaknesses, because once you solve this 10 full length test, you will know what are the things where you are lacking, what are your weaknesses, and once this crash course is over, you have this ample time after this 16th March to work on your weaknesses. So remember, in this 84 sessions, approximately 170 hours, we are covering your both static part as well as part related to current affairs. So why this course is important? First is we are focusing on exam oriented hiding areas. So if you want to revise your both static as well as current affair, then this course is ideal for you. And most important thing is, through this 10 full length test, you can analyze your own preparation. So it is like a star, guiding star or north star for you. So remember, for whom this course is ideal, so who can opt for this course? Most important thing is those candidates or those aspirants who have completed their foundation, basic foundation, but now they are struggling to revise. So they can definitely select this crash course. Second is those who have already prepared in this last few months, but now they don't have the enough confidence to face the exam. So this is also ideal for those candidates and those who are getting difficulties because of this multiple sources. So this is also ideal. And most important thing is those students who want this one-stop solution for their prelims, next prelims 2026. So this crash course is basically ideal for them. They can directly take this crash course and take this benefit of covering this static as well as revising with this current affairs. So here I am clearly mentioning, this is not a silver bullet. This is not a magic pill. You have to prepare well. We are just guiding you. We are taking this most important part from the static based on this previous year questions, previous year themes, and then current affairs. So you have to work hard if you want to get selected, but definitely we are trying, we are giving our best so that we can provide you with the direction, in the right direction to crack this prelims 2026. And this last important note for this foundation batch, if you have already enrolled in our full-fledged foundation, then don't purchase this course because it is already included or it is already a part of your foundation batch. And those who are struggling with their basic foundation among you, you can also join our foundation batch. Along with this foundation batch, you will get the current affairs, you will also get this prelims test, entire test series throughout this year, and you will also get this crash course. So I wish you all the best for your preparation and see you in the crash course.